What if I told you that you can make your own AI assistant that can listen to your voice, do Google searches, and is fully customizable so you can make it do whatever you want? If that sparks your interest, take a deep breath, because the following 5 minutes are packed with information where I'm gonna show you how to do exactly that. First, make sure you have Python installed in your device. You can do that by typing in Python inside of a PowerShell. If you don't have it, go to Google, type in Python, and then go to their website and download the installation kit. Next, go to github/2bytesgoat/AI assistant and download the code as a zip file. After you unzip the code you just downloaded, we will need to install a virtual environment where the dependencies of the project will be installed. So navigate to your folder, type in PowerShell in the search bar, and then run the four commands. First, python -m pip install virtual env. Then python -m vnv.vnv. Then activate the environment by running vnv/scripts/activate. And finally, install the project requirements by doing pip install -r requirements.txt.
2 hours later.
After the installation is done, we clear the console and type in python main.py. You will know the program has successfully booted once your input sources are displayed. Now you can hold the spacebar and ask it any question. The program should be able to hear you and send your request to ChatGPT.
Walter White is a fictional character from the television series Breaking Bad.
However, ChatGPT will answer only if you set up the OpenAI key inside the .env file. Alternatively, you can run your own machine learning model locally by going to Hugging Face, the bloke Llama 7 billion chat, and downloading one of the free models from there. After it finished downloading, copy the model into the models folder and copy its name. After that, go and edit the goat.py file and change the default model to Llama CPP and the model path to the name we just copied. The code should not be using the Llama model we just downloaded. However, this approach is slower and it won't always produce the output we're expecting. Now it's time to make the assistant smarter by giving it access to the Google Search API. For that, we first create a new project on the Google API library. Then, we scroll until we find the custom search API. We select the project we just created and click Enable to generate the API key. Next, we need the programmable search engine ID from Google. So we create a new search engine and copy the CX name from the JavaScript code we received. We will need to paste those codes inside our .env file. After that, open the goat.py file and add the search tool to line 30. The assistant should now be able to use Google search. Do a Google search for Walter White.
Walter White is a fictional character from the television series Breaking Bad.
At the beginning, I said that the assistant is fully customizable, and we saw previously that in the go.py file we added this custom search tool. You can also create your own tools. One additional tool that I created was this Locator tool, which needs additional setup. I'll include the details in the readme.md file. What the Locator tool does is that it gets your current location based on your IP, and then you can ask it, get all the nearby shops that sell some custom beverage in my area. And what it does, it passes that query to a Google Maps scraper for a given business and your coordinates which it got from the IP address, and then that information will be sent to the machine learning model such that it can package it and then say it back to me. You can create a lot of other tools. You just have to go into the go.py file and create your own tool and then just add it on line 30 as an additional string. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and see you next time.